Hi, this is Gail. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, and in my next video, I'll explain why, but let's take a look. Today, it's an unboxing of some Beebeecraft goodies, and we have several items in here. Love how they actually package the materials. There is nothing getting inside these packages. They are so well wrapped. Well, this first is imitation leather. Now, I know that on screen this looks blue. However, it is actually purple. So let's take a look at the colors. Now, my thoughts are these are big enough to make small journal covers. And yes, those will be perfect. Okay, there's a red. This is sort of a red, sort of a leathery, I don't know, little orangish brown maybe. Oh, love this color. I don't know what that is. Oh, just a little stringer there. This is beautiful. This is a tealy turquoise. Oh, put that at the top. Lovely black. Oh yes, navy blue. I was looking forward to this. This is for a special project I'm working on. I'm going to put that right up near the top as well. And the white as well. I might be using that on a special journal. Just not sure exactly which way to go. So I'm going to make two of the journal covers and then decide which one I like best. Now this is definitely a red. So we can compare the two reds. This is maybe a little more orangey red, and this is a deeper red, almost a crimson. I guess, I don't know, I think that's what you'd call it. Oh, now here we have a lovely pink. Very pretty. Oh, and now a real soft pink. That's really pretty. Now here's your brown leather. Love that. Doesn't look imitation to me. It looks really good. And here we have yellow. Okay, so those are the imitation leather, and I will have the uh, link below for the item number. Okay, so then let's take a look at these. These are the appliques, and again, I'll have the link below for each item, and oh, yumminess. Oh, I love using these to embellish journal pages, tags. So pretty. I pretty much have no more of these, so this is just excellent. Love that. Just very pretty. Different sizes. Ooh, check out the little glimmer and shimmer. Oh, very pretty. I'm working on a rose journal that just, ooh, super. Oh, butterflies, yay. Okay, so here's a big butterfly. And notice it's got shimmer too. Then there's this one, the double layer. Real, oh yeah, I could lift that up. And then you get the 3D effect. Very cool. Ooh, this one's neat. Like that a lot. Ooh, that one's pretty too. They're all unique and different, and I love it. Like a variety, don't like to use the same thing over and over again. Although I do find I am a creature of habit, and if I have it, I will use it. And look at this big one. Holy guacamole. Very, very pretty. Oh my. So those are the appliques. And again, I'll have the link below so you can take a look. Okay. So there's that. And the last thing are these little charms. They're zinc alloy pendants, it says. I have been looking for charms that have words on them. And look at this. This one is all brave. Imagine. Sorry, there might be a little bit of a glare. It's a beautiful day here, lots of light. Warrior. This one is family. Love. Belief. Let's see if we have protected. Trust. Grace. Forever. Blessed. Fearless. Dream. Wow, this is fun. Can't wait to use these. Beautiful. There's faith again. Ah, enough. Miracle. Namaste. Can't we all use a little bit of that these days? This is inspire. And last but not least, we have hope. Okay, so look at how many there are in here. Now, I will have fun using these in my journals, on my tags, and also if I make any pendants or tassels or jewelry. Not real big on the jewelry making, but I do like to make tassels and bead dangles and all of that to go with the journals. So now let me see if on here, okay, I don't see amounts and I don't remember them, but I will put that in the link below where I link to these items for you. So there you have it. 3 wonderful items from Beebeecraft. So stay tuned and watch what I do with them. Okay? Sounds like fun. Can't wait. Hope to see you again next time. Alrighty. Bye-bye. And don't forget to head on over to Beebeecraft. They have thousands of items. Huge site. going to recommend that if you go in there, you make a wish list and hang on to whatever you see because this is such a huge site, so many wonderful goodies that if you think you're going to remember and go back and find what you found originally, it's going to be tough. And that wonderful wish list will help you out as you begin to do your purchasing. All righty. Talk to you later. Bye bye.